Good morning, children. This is Sunita Chatta. Today we will recapitulate the chapter Heat and Temperature. And for this, I have made a mind map which will help you to understand in a better way. And by this mind map, you will be able to recapitulate in a better way. So let's move to the mind map. First point of this is heat. Heat is a form of energy that produces feeling of hotness. It is measured in joule. Calorie is used in measure energy value of food. 1 calorie is equal to 4.2 joules. Now the effects of heat. What are the effects of heat? Heat increases in temperature. Heat expands a substance. Heat changes the state of matter. Heat brings chemical changes. Heat affects living things. Now, next is temperature. The degree of hotness and coolness of a body is called its temperature. Next, we will move to thermometer. Thermometer is an instrument used to measure temperature. It works on principle of expansion in liquids on heating. It is measured in Celsius and Fahrenheit scale, but for scientific work, Kelvin scale is also used. Then types of thermometer: laboratory thermometer, clinical thermometer, mercury thermometer, alcohol thermometer, or digital thermometer. Last but not the least, conduction, convection, radiation. These are the three different forms by which transfer of heat takes place. So children, I hope this mind map will help you to recapitulate in a better way and in a easy way. Now let us move to the next slide, that is convergence. See children, I had promised you in the previous slide that I will explain interconvergence by giving some example. So first let us speak about the Fahrenheit scale. Children, Fahrenheit scale was developed by Gabriel Fahrenheit, and on this scale the freezing point of water is 32 degree Fahrenheit and boiling point is 212 degree Fahrenheit. Between 32 degree Fahrenheit and 212 degree Fahrenheit, the scale is divided into 180 equal parts. Now, as you can see from the figure, Celsius. Celsius scale. See children, here the boiling point of water is 100 degree C and freezing is 0 degree. And in Fahrenheit, the boiling point is 212 degree Fahrenheit and 32 degree Fahrenheit. While as in Kelvin scale, we have boiling point of water minus 73 K and freezing point is minus 273 K. We don't use degree in Kelvin scale. Now coming to Kelvin scale. Kelvin scale was invented by Lord Kelvin. It is used usually by the scientists in the laboratories all over the world. On the basis of this, freezing point of water is 273 K and the boiling point is 373 degree K approximately. The degree sign is not used in Kelvin scale. Kelvin is also the SI unit of temperature. Now children, let us study how we can convert different forms of heat into another, or the scales. How can we convert one form of scale into another, or in other words, interconversion between different scales? Using the following relationship, the three temperature scales can be easily converted from one form to another. See children, it's given here C by 100. C by 100, why? Because boiling point of water is 100 degrees C and freezing is 0 degrees C. So subtracting these two points, that is boiling point and freezing point, we will get 100 points. Then for Fahrenheit scale, the freezing point of water is 32 degree F and boiling point is 212 degree F. So subtracting these two values, we will get 180 points or divisions. Then similarly in Kelvin, minus 373 degree is the boiling and freezing is minus 273 K. So subtracting these two, we will get the 100 division. It is only division, it is not the scale. Now in order to simplify it, that is for the conversion between Celsius and Fahrenheit scale, the above relationship can be simplified as, for example, here you know C by 100 is equal to F minus 32 by 180, that is equal to K minus 273 by 100. Now these are the different scales. Children, in order to simplify it, we will divide 100 by 180. This will give us a proper fraction and we will be able to solve our problems easily. Now see children, here it is C by 5. Why 5? Because we have divided 100 by 180 is equal to F minus 32 by 9. Then from this equation we can get the formula for converting centigrade into Fahrenheit, that is C is equal 5 by 9 into F minus 32, and in other words we can get the equation for degree Fahrenheit also, that is F is equal 9 by 5 into C plus 32. So these two equations we can use for doing our convergence. In order to simplify it, children, two solved examples are given. Number one, the temperature of a patient was recorded. So sorry, number one is convert 77 degree F to degree C. Now in order to solve it, we have the equation, that is C is equal to 5 by 9 into F minus 32. So we will write 5 by 9. Instead of F, we will write 77 minus 32. So this will give 5 by 9. And subtracting 32 from 77, we will get 45. That is equal to 25 degree C. Thus, we can say 77 degree F is equal to 25 degree C. Secondly, the temperature of a person was recorded as 40 degrees C. Express this temperature in Fahrenheit. Now the solution is F is equal to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. This we already know. So here we will write F is equal to 9 by 5 into, instead of C we will write 40 plus 32. So 5 ones are 5, 5 is a 40, simplification. So this will be equal to 9 into 8 plus 32, that is equal to 72 plus 32 equal to 104 degree F. Thus 40 degree C is equal to 104 degree F. So children, I hope you must have understood in a better way. If there is any query, you can call me. Thank you children. Thank you very much.